And I thought we were the only A-frame camper here. Chickens. Lots of chickens. £10 each if you want one. So you can get your wood from there, and you can sit on these chairs here. We'll get some later when Chris turns up there, yeah? Here's a nice sofa arrangement here. It's a bit like Glastonbury without the people. And there's another one over here that Kathleen, Margaret, Bill and Ben. I think I'll have to try and do some filming tonight when we get here. The construction going on here, which is going to be mainly doors, I think. There's a little dog in here just chilling out, watching the world go by. And they've got a barbecue at this one. More chairs. This is where your sofas come to die, everybody. Another A-framer. And the residents of this A-framer are a little more intelligent than us. Hello, mate. Let's go and see the A-framing camping people down there. That's an old one. Quite rare as well. Another camping trip in the Pennliner camper. Everything's in order. Let's see what's going on out here today. Oh, yeah. Seem to have gathered some people in the camper.
I got some markers. Yeah, there's a hello. No, I got this big one. It's just his own, funny enough. This is only.
We have a leak. It is raining quite bad. It's coming in the side here, but that's where it's losing, when it's found its way in. And that's how much we've lost in a few hours. So it's not a big leak. And where it's coming in, I shall explain that to you now. Oh, bit of dancing going on, is there?
The cure.
Oh yeah. Cure for what then? Yeah, whatever. And to see why it's leaking. The day we had the hottest day on English records, and it buckled everything, which is okay because it's allowed to move. I designed it for that. It's got to be flexible, allows it to just crack. But it moved it that much that it's opened up there. I think it's coming in down on the inside of it very slightly. So what I'm going to do is replace that centre strip in the middle, reseal it, put something a bit more substantial there. Obviously not get it down too tight, but this side's perfect, and that's exactly the same setup. As you can see, it has bowed a little bit, but as I say, I did allow for that. Happy camping in the rain again. it's leaking. Here, I'm going to put a screw in every inch and stagger them, and then put the top on. That's after I've sealed in there, but I've got to clean it off first. So that was yesterday, and look at today. This is England for you. Too hot to work yesterday, too wet to work today. But we have finished the seal, and I'm going to run in there past the drippy guttering, which I've fixed 1,000 times. Let's just hope the leak inside a little bit better. So here we go. Whoa. Oh. Yeah, let's have a look. See. Yep. Perfectly dry. I'll take you outside and show you the top in a minute. No leaks here. Dry as a bone. Well, that's the result. As I say, this camper is undergoing a 1 year extensive testing procedure. I must admit, it's been through a lot of rain and a lot of hot weather. In fact, record-breaking hot weather. I'll show you the strip outside I've repaired quickly before we ruin the camera. As you can see, all working perfectly